Now we are going to learn the factory design pattern. Let's dive into a real-life scenario. Suppose we are going to create a fintech notification sender system for our users will be able to get their notification according to their choose platform. Suppose they want to get notification via email, or suppose they want to get notification via SMS, and also maybe in later time they would love to get notification from their bank application, maybe that is post notification. So primarily maybe we're planning to send that notification through email, maybe we're sending the notification through SMS. So we need to create a runtime decision make according to user's choice. So in that scenario, it's important that we are using the factory design pattern for solving those problems. Let's go and dive to the code. So there are only 4 steps you have to follow to solve that problem. So primarily what I'm doing is creating an interface which is called notification. In that notification, I'll create a method which is called send. And all other classes, all other concrete classes who are going to follow the notification system are going to implement this notification interface. Here I have written another class which is email notification, which implements the notification. So according to the implementation, we also have done all the necessary codes for sending emails. So this is the step 2. We are implementing a concrete class with the interface. Now, if we want multiple notification systems to get introduced in our system, we can just create a class, we can implement the notification interface, and that interface method send will be different from one class to another class, but the system will be same. So in step 3, now we are going to create a factory class. In the factory class, users will be sending their preference of notification. Suppose they want to send email notification, suppose they want to get SMS notification, that time they will ask for that. When they will ask for email, in the factory class, it will create a new instance of email notification class and it will return that. And also if the user prefers SMS as a notification, then this factory class is going to create a new instance of SMS notification and it's returning that. So this is reducing a lot of code level logics like if, else, that kind of things. So the user is sending its preference and in the runtime, the factory class is creating a new instance of the notification sender class and delivering it to the user. So that is a solid principle implemented. And also, if you need to introduce another new notification system, you will just create another class like push notification, and that will implement the notification interface, and that will come under this factory. So everything will be working as previously after adding even a new notification system. So in the 4th part in this code, I have shown how you can use it in your code base. So this is how the factory design pattern can be used in your code